Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Kreg pocket hole jig kit alternative on the market, the Vevor 34 PC's pocket hole jig kit. If you've been hunting for a reliable, durable, and highly adjustable pocket hole system for your DIY carpentry projects, this kit might just be what you're looking for. Let's kick things off by exploring the construction quality. The Vevor jig body is built from CNC precision machined aluminum alloy, which not only gives it a professional finish but also ensures that it holds up over time. Its smooth surface is resistant to both wear and corrosion, making it a solid investment for anyone who takes woodworking seriously. Plus, it comes with a stainless steel extension rod that adds extra support, letting you clamp even long wooden boards without any wobble. So, when you're drilling, you're not going to deal with annoying shakes or misalignments. This thing stays put. Next, let's talk about flexibility. The jig system is designed to accommodate material thicknesses between 1/2 inch and 1.5 inches, or 12.7 mm to 38.1 mm. Adjusting the depth is a breeze thanks to the visible dual metric markers and the sliding scale. Whether you're working on a small drawer or a large cabinet, the depth adjustment is simple, intuitive, and quick to change between projects. One standout feature here is the titanium-plated 2-step drill bit. It's engineered to reduce tearing and keep your drill line clean and accurate. The included stop ring helps fix the angle in place, making sure every hole is consistent from start to finish. There's also a chip removal outlet, which is a small but brilliant touch. It keeps your workspace clean by pushing out wood shavings and prevents clogging while you drill. But the adaptability doesn't end there. You can use the fixture to firmly secure your board in place, or detach the guide block to turn it into a compact, angled hole clamp tool. That portability means you can take it out to job sites or just move around your shop without needing a separate setup. When paired with the included 11-inch C-clamp, setup is super fast and your material is always secure. Now, let's talk accessories. This kit includes pretty much everything you need right out of the box. You get 2 fixtures, 2 titanium step drills, 2 wrenches, 2 drill stop rings, 2 square drive bits, a set of pocket screws and plugs, the 11-inch C-clamp, and a durable toolbox to keep it all organized. That's a full system that gets you drilling in minutes, no extra purchases necessary. Whether you're assembling bookshelves, framing furniture, or working on cabinetry, this kit simplifies the entire process. The consistency in drilling and the premium materials make it a great pick for beginners and professionals alike. And finally, when you consider the price point, especially with the frequent discounts available, it's clear why this Vevor jig is becoming such a popular choice. It delivers outstanding value while rivaling premium brands in performance and versatility. So, if you're ready to elevate your DIY woodworking game with the best Kreg pocket hole jig kit alternative, the Vevor 34 PC's pocket hole jig kit is a must-have addition to your toolbox. Be sure to check the link in the description if you're interested in grabbing one for yourself. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on future reviews. See you in the next one.